Woke up in a new city. Yeah. Hi guys. So I'm excited for today. Let me show you. What's this? It was very beautiful. They had like a scent thing where you smell. Hello. I'm so exhausted and my face is actually very oily now because I have been walking in the sun. It's so hot in PR right now, like it's really hot. And people are saying this is like okayish weather. This time of day it's like actually not too hot. But it feels like I'm in Namibia. I'm like happy because it feels like I'm in Namibia. So, and it's just good to take a break from the cold. But anyway, so we are back to the hotel. And I don't know if it's a hotel and Airbnb. I'm not really sure because it's like a lot of units, but it's not like in our house. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna say it's a hotel. But yeah, so we're back to the hotel and we had brunch. It was really good. They had like really huge portions, so we took out. I ordered like an omelette with steak and shrimp. That was amazing. Then I ordered like a mimosa as well. After that we went to the museum. The museum was really good. It was small, but it was really good. Like they had this sensory thing where you can like smell different scents, and I thought that was cool. I really enjoyed that. And then they also had just like really nice stuff to look at. Also like some history stuff about Puerto Rico, so that was nice to learn. And then we took a walk in the neighborhood, then came back home. So now I'll be going to rest and prepare for dinner. Then after dinner, just maybe go out a little bit because this is like our only weekend in PR. So yeah, stay tuned. I like it. I love it. Go walk, keep walking.
More cloudy than this.
Caribbean, border of the sea.
Hey!
You guys going to port? Are you leaving? Se van? That's a pilot boat.
So now